Instagram recently rolled out their new Collabs feature, which is an exciting new way to interact with more communities on Instagram and grow your following all at the same time. So in this video, we're gonna walk through what the new feature is, how you can use it, and why you should care about it. So let's get right into it. What's going on? It's Ben here from Flick, your destination for Instagram domination. And today, like I said, we're talking all about Instagram collabs. So if you've been on Instagram lately, you've probably seen this feature in action. And if you haven't been on Instagram, what are you doing with your time? You should definitely get on the platform because you'll run into this fairly quickly. And it is a new and exciting way to post content and also grow your following. So Instagram first dropped the news on their Twitter, and this is what they shared. We're launching Collabs, a new way to co-author feed posts and reels. Invite an account to be a collaborator, which means the following. Both names will appear on header, share to both sets of followers, live on both profile grids, and they'll share views, likes, and comments. So that's what Instagram shared publicly, but we here at Flick like to go above and beyond. So we're gonna break down exactly what this feature really is and how you can use it. So the first obvious question, what are Instagram collabs? So like Instagram mentioned, Instagram Collabs allows you to invite someone to collaborate with you on a post or someone to invite you. And the post will be shared with both sets of your followers. So simply, you can collaborate with another Instagram user and that same post will show up on both your profiles at the same time. I know, mind blown. And with this new collaboration feature, you will share views, likes, and comments with your collaborator, which means getting engagement and reach from both sets of followers. Since the launch, more and more influencers and brands have been collaborating using this new feature to reach new sets of audiences at the exact same time. And for accounts targeting similar kinds of people with similar kinds of followers, this is a fantastic way to collaborate and grow. One note though, paid partnerships still need to be disclosed, and you can't use collabs as a way of saying you're partnering with a brand. You still need to fully disclose that it is a paid partnership. So that's what the feature is. Now let's break down how to use it. And in typical Instagram fashion, they're still rolling out this feature. So if you don't have it yet, don't freak out. It will come to you soon, and you'll soon be able to send requests and receive requests to collaborate. And once you can, this is how you do it. Upload your post or reel, and before you click upload, tap tag people. You'll notice that there's an option to invite collaborator, where you can search and choose the Instagram user you want to collaborate with. Once you've selected the user you want to collaborate with, share the post and a request will be sent to the user. The post will not appear on their profile until they've accepted your request. So fairly straightforward and easy to use. Now let's break down how to accept a request that's sent to you. If someone has requested to collaborate on a post with you, check your DMs. In there, you should have a request to collaborate, and all you have to do is hit accept. Yes, it's truly that easy, and it will go live. So with this feature coming out and being new, we recommend getting ahead of it and really putting it as part of your strategy. We recommend making a list of potential collaborations and figuring out ways that you could create content to make it make sense for both sides and to help both of the pages grow. So spend some time making a list of your ideal collaborations and then make it go down in the DMs, sending a proposal for a potential collaboration that just makes sense for everyone. You're gonna get a lot more success this way, and because it is benefiting both parties, it can be a huge opportunity for both sides that just makes a ton of sense. So this feature is super exciting to have and a potential great tool for growth. But another huge thing that you need to keep in mind when you're trying to grow is studying your analytics to make the best decisions for your Instagram content and your page in general. And we here at Flick have the most sophisticated analytics suite built to help you make better decisions to grow faster. So if you haven't tried out all of our analytics tools, you can access a free week trial of all of them, as well as every other tool that we provide to help Instagram creators grow. So if you just use the link in the description box down below, you'll get yourself a free week trial of everything that will help you grow on Instagram. So go ahead and use that link for a free week. You'll be happy you did. And if you're looking for some more support and accountability when it comes to growing on Instagram, be sure to join our free Facebook community completely focused on exactly that. It's called the Social Hub. It's completely for free. It is very active, and there's a huge community of people eager to help you grow. That's also linked down below. And if you need some more help with hashtags specifically, we got all the stuff for you. This video right here is our hashtag guide that will bring you from a hashtag newbie to a hashtag expert in one video. We cover everything you need to know. So go ahead and click that if you are confused by Instagram hashtags. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel where we post weekly to help you crush it on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. Go collab away, go collab to your heart's content, and I'll see you same place, same time next week. Keep crushing it on Instagram. We'll talk soon. Peace.